On the 8th of July to the Sports Ministry, due to incessant rains on the night of the 4th of July and the 7th, the various embankments on the range have collapsed and extensive damage has been caused. The grassy expanse of lawn overhead the first box culvert has been washed away along with the side foot tracks. Manish Tiwari, it just seems because of the speed with which things are now being pushed through, the stadia are coming apart. It's very, very dangerous. Are you personally alarmed? Are you personally alarmed by what you're reading, seeing the stadium, this young girl getting injured today, Manish?
Rahul, I am worried because at the end of the day, if we are not able to organize even the Commonwealth Games properly, it would send out a very negative signal of India, which is trying to find its footing in a multipolar world, and today is being positioned on a trajectory to play a far more important role in global affairs. So we have to deliver. I don't think that there is any shortcut, and Mr. Iyer possibly has done the right thing by showing a mirror. Of course, his use of phraseology is something that we've always admired, but I would leave it at that. But I think on a more serious note,
Manish
the
comes with
important question is, this is
inverted quotes. That admired comes
well,
with
in
quotes.
the sense, I've always personally been a great admirer of Mr. Iyer, so I would just leave it at that. All I'm saying is that the issue that he's flagged is very, very serious, and I think ultimately we have no other option but to deliver. God forbid if we fail, we'll become the laughing stock of the world.
Okay, I want both Prakash Javadekar and Lalit Bhanot to respond to that. What Mr. Iyer has done in a way is held a mirror. Mr. Bhanot, respond to that. He's telling you that there is a problem, understand, assess the fact that there's a problem and respond to it, as opposed to this happening 67 days from now when some world famous athlete like Emily Hemans or somebody gets injured, and then we discover that the Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium is not up to the mark. He's holding the mirror. Don't berate him. Acknowledge that. Mr. Bhanot?
No, I will be thankful to Mr. Manishankar Iyer to show us a mirror. If there is any fault, we will definitely rectify it. But the thing is, we should wish, we should pray for a successful game. We should make efforts for the successful game. We should not say that these games are going to be failed. I am saying
but
the
Mr.
games will
Bhanot,
be
you're already
successful.
talking about wishing and praying.
But definitely, we are thinking.
You're already talking about wishing and praying, sir.
No, Rahul, I am saying, I am thankful to Mr. Manishankar Iyer if there is any error for showing us the mirror. I am saying I am thankful. But I am saying it is not only that we have to show the mirror, but we have to join the hand, we have to have a positive attitude, and we should deliver a game. I am saying we are deliver a game. You will see it. You will see after a few days when the games will come, and after when the games will be over, we all will be here. Then you will be happy to say that it was a
most definitely.
Game.
If it goes out well,
but
everybody will be doffing his hats. If it doesn't,
Rahul, we cannot pinpoint. We cannot only highlight the small things. If something happening, if some water is leaking, it happens everywhere. It is not only in India but outside.
Okay, Mr. Iyer, respond to that. Any new building. This is one of the defenses the Commonwealth Organizing Committee is coming up with. Any new building faces teething trouble. There can be no question about it. It happens to people's houses. It happens to buildings. The first monsoon is always problematic for any new building. Let's not make too much of a big deal. Priyanka Banerjee might have got injured, but they still have time. They need your support. Will you stand up and support them at this time? Because it's a matter, sir, of national pride now. Mr. Iyer?
Oh, I'm sorry. The question was addressed to me.
That's right.
No, I was sorry. I didn't understand because my mind was going to a tale I learnt as a child, Snow White, where she says, "Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all?" And the mirror always replies, "The organizing committee is the fairest of them all." So let me leave it at that. I am not against a successful games, but I am apprehending that there are tremendous problems which should not have been there 67 days before the games begin. And if Mr. Bhanot on this program is sincere in saying that he is grateful to me for having held up that mirror, then that is enough for me. I've held up the mirror. Mr. Bhanot and his colleagues have seen it. Let's see whether in consequence of this, the apprehensions which are shared across the spectrum, shared by Manish Tiwari, shared by Prakash Jadvekar, shared by me, are put to rest.
Okay.
We keep being told by Mr. Bhanot that we are not to worry, that it will be very successful. I'm ready to wait 67 days and see the outcome.
Okay, Mr. Bhanot promises to work night and day. I let that be the final word. Thank you very much, gentlemen, for joining us.
But we will like Mr. Mani Shankar also to join us to ensure the successful games.
Thank you very much, Mr. Bhanot. Thank you very much, all of you.
Yeah, instead of criticizing every time.